What's up, friends? Sebby here with Evolution Expeditions. Today for our Fix a Boat series, we are going to be cleaning one of our tandem Prijon Excursions. Throughout the years, it gets quite a bit of mineral buildup, so we're going to go ahead and try to get that scrubbed off. I have a special mixture that I do of simple green, white vinegar, and some scaling solution that's for bathtubs and just to get the harder minerals off. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get to it. Awesome, so that went great. The reason I chose one of our yellow boats is because it's a little more noticeable what parts are scrubbed and what isn't scrubbed. So just for the video purposes, that's why I chose this vessel. And it was one of the dirtier ones. As you saw, I was pretty free with the spraying of the solution. I like to just go ahead and lay that on, just let it sit for a while, let it soak in, and then I take the green Scotch Brite pad and scrub. I like circular motions, that way it doesn't leave any marks at all and it kind of buffs right into it. I spray it down, that way it doesn't have a chance to soak back in and dry down. I start at one end all the way around to the other and keep that uniform the whole time. Hopefully you get the results that you are expecting. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave any comments down below. Again, the reason that we do these Fix a Boat series is so you can get hands-on with your boat as well, and that way you don't go and take them to other places and pay people to do stuff that you can do yourself at home and get to know your boat. Peace.